Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Skinwalker's mod for Little Company. And to do this, first you will need to download Thunderstore Mod Manager. You can check our previous video, which should be linked in the description if you want a guide on how to do it. Then, when you have this program installed, we'll need two mods to get the Skinwalkers enabled. First one is the BepInX pack by BepInX, and another one is obviously Skinwalker. So look for it in Get Mods category, and here simply download it with the newest version. Now it should be visible in My Mods right here. Make sure that it's enabled and click on the modded button to launch your game with mods enabled, and the game should work properly and mobs now will mimic your friends or your own voice. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.